Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Motorola Moto E13. To do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the Google Classroom. Select it from the list and install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Allow all access and click on Get Started. Here you can pick your account. Then press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in a pool right here, and when you're ready, you should be able to join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.